Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today I will show you how to make vegan gyoza with using shiitake mushrooms, fried tofu, and Chinese cabbage. Have you ever seen my gyoza pastry recipes? If you haven't, please check my other videos. I noticed that many of you are interested in healthy eating, so I decided to film this video. I teach traditional gyoza in my cooking class here in Tokyo and also online. So if you're interested in, please contact me. And as always, my furry family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas, so please watch in detail until the end. Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, vegan gyoza with using shiitake mushrooms, Chinese cabbage, and fried tofu is ready. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. Smells good here. Okay, let's try tasting. It's only vegetables, but it's full of flavors. I can taste the plumpness of the shiitake mushrooms and crunchiness from the Chinese cabbage. And the juiciness from the fried tofu. Wow, so flavorful. And the gyoza wing, made of potato starch and water, is also crispy, like a chips. ごちそうさまでした。Here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: if you cut the ingredients into small pieces, you can fit more in the gyoza pastry, and it's easy to fold. And tip: if you cook gyoza, I recommend not to pour too much water. So please pour water just to cover the bottom of the fry pan. That's the tip. So those are the recommendations and tips for today's menu. So how was this vegan gyoza recipe? If you want to see more vegan gyoza recipes, please hit the like button. Or if you have any request about ingredients, please comment me from the box down below. If you watch my video for the first time, thank you for coming. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I introduce easy Japanese recipes, including baby meals, toddler food, and also desserts. So please don't forget. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great day, great weekend, and a wonderful new week. We will see you next time. Bye bye.